In this video, I'll show you how to downgrade to an older NVIDIA driver version. The first thing we want to try is come here and search for Device Manager. In here, click on Display Adapters and right click on your GPU. Press Properties and go to Driver and check if you can roll back the driver. If you have this option, it's going to roll back to a previously installed driver if you have installed multiple. Now, if this one is grayed out, what you can do is you can right click, Properties, right click and update the driver, and then go to Browse My Computer for drivers. Click Let me pick a list, and in here you'll be able to see all the previous ones. Now, if there's still nothing in there, the last thing I suggest you do is you right click and go to Properties, go to Driver and check the driver date. After that, you want to head over to Google and search for NVIDIA and then your graphics card, in this case GeForce GTX 1070 Ti, and then search for driver. Then you want to find a driver which is previous to this one, so older than this driver date, and then you can get the older version. Now, those are basically the 3 ways that you can do it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.